Hi guys, back to business. We have problem with our audio. We bought a microphone and for some reason doesn't work. So that means we're back to just using the GoPro's mic, and hopefully this will work out alright, which we always been doing, and we're not successful using the microphone. Yeah, hopefully we will make a good vlog out of the video we made all the way here, even though it doesn't have an audio. So here we are. We spotted one cassowary on the way here, and also we have another one which is, you can't really see it now because it's already gone, but hopefully to see one closer.
That watermelon there would just get eaten up. So you've got to keep your food inside the tent, but they they roam around the area here freely and aren't really scared of human beings.
Woohoo! We're here at Etty Bay. Hi Sally! It's Etty Bay. Very nice soft sand they have here. Look at that. Yeah, right? So nice and soft. Isn't it soft? It's so soft. Wow. It is safe to swim here. No crocodile. Only in Cairns. Wow. That's where Etty Beach is, and then we want to go into this beach here. It's a little bit of a rocky walk, but it's alright. Tomorrow we are going to do fishing here because it looks like it's a very nice fishy area. We've seen a fish just jump off from just here. Something's been chasing it. We just need to get a bait tomorrow. We need to buy a bait from maybe in Sarbo or somewhere. Okay. It's fresh water.
Well, someone probably ate it.
Yeah.
It's actually fresh water.
Yeah.
Probably drink it.
Yeah. Why don't you drink it? Wow, look at this. That's a weird looking rock, isn't it? It's like a fossil. It's a weird looking rock. Hey guys, we have a cassowary walking here on the beach. Look at this beauty. That's a beautiful looking thing. You got a nice pet. We were just watching. It's like, you know, coming into people. So that's amazing, eh?
So amazing.
We went to Cape Tribulation just trying to find this.
Yeah.
We didn't find any.
No. Well,
Just here.
Where we're camping, it said to come down here and do this, and I'm like,
Yeah.
I haven't seen one anywhere, and I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah. So friendly.
Oi! 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 Oi!
Oh my God, that's very big legs. You got very big legs.
Oi! Oi!
Yeah, dinosaur. What's the picture called?
Yeah, that's about the third cassowary we've seen since we've been here. Yeah, they just wander along the beach here. If you want to see cassowaries, yeah, this is a place to come and see them.
You gotta come to Etty Bay.
Etty Bay. He was just going to have a feed or something, pick at those people's beach towels and food, and I sort of scared him away so that he didn't pick up anything. yeah, guys.
Bye-bye.
More to come. Tomorrow morning we'll see. We'll get up early, sunrise. Apparently they're pretty few of them on the beach here at sunrise.
I'm gonna put my hand. Right. Bye-bye.
Cassowary's footprint. It goes, the heel is there and the front toe is there, so that's the length of it. It's bigger than my hand. That's his other toe there, his middle toe. They've only got 3 toes, and this is the other one here, and that's his heel. So that's how big the Cassowary's footprint is. Couple of good prints here. There's one there, and then this is his other imprint here. Quite big footed bird. Hey guys, there's signs here everywhere about not feeding the cassowaries. Yeah, so that's one of the signs, but they do pick up. There was one there eating a pawpaw someone threw away on the beach, so they do end up getting a feed from human scraps.
We just encourage them not to feed it.
Yeah, don't purposely feed them.
Yeah, actually there's a penalties.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get penalized doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is against the law to feed the cassowary.
Okay, this is our campsite in the afternoon. The sun's starting to go down. We're underneath the coconut tree, so my Filipino family feel at home.
It's a nice rainforest out there.
Yeah, we got a nice rainforest all the way around us. Nice big trees.
And that's what we have for today. We had a lot of things done today. Of course, first earlier we have problem with the audio, without us realizing that we have problem with the audio. I made friends along the beach while filming the cassowary. Belinda, hi Belinda, with your children. That was so cute. Walking along the beach, watching the cassowary. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd just like to say thank you to all our subscribers.